This video is about artificial intelligence, human intelligence, and winning lottery. You might wonder if ChatGPT will give you the answer about how to win a lottery. This is the answer. It will not. But if you rely on your own intelligence, you will win. If you are a regular lottery player, this video can broaden your awareness. While the world is shocked and give praise to ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, they might have forgotten their own human intelligence. Human intelligence is much more powerful and all-knowing, giving answers to all questions that a life might need. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that is capable of generating human-like text based on prompts from users and has a wide range of applications. Its model is trained on millions of pages of writing from all over the internet, allowing it to compose its own text and answer almost any question. It uses deep learning to generate human-like text based on prompts from users, based on the patterns it has learned from a massive amount of data during its training process. There are two keywords here. Allow me to explain. Pages of writing from the internet. If it is not written, ChatGPT cannot include. If it is written in a book, ChatGPT cannot include neither. Therefore, that knowledge is still limited. Remember, on top of this limitation, there is regulation that limits what can be spread, what cannot, as well. A massive amount of data. Data is a tricky word here. First, the scenario presented by data is temporary. It is the truth at that moment. On our lottery website, you can see that the patterns of winning numbers change with each draw added. It is the same with all data analysis. Second, data is interpreted by the mind of an analyst. Mind is a powerful tool. When the analyst is thinking and making assumption, a sound wave is formed. It magnetizes the free particles in ether field, and a pre-reality is created. This will prove that her assumption is correct. If she is focused on only one facet of that subject, the other facets will be lost. In this context, I would consider data analysis result as a reference, not a determined point of life and death. When man lost its sense of origin, it counts on data to find orientation. This is the root cause that enterprises are tossed in ocean waves. Desires of man have no pattern. Then change all the time. In this sense, operating a business is not different from playing a lottery. Please don't get me wrong here. I love chatbot, using it every day. I see how the knowledge can be shared by the entire species, and life quality can be greatly improved. What is human intelligence? There is a list of things that AI cannot do, including telepathy, healing, praying, altering weather, and winning a lottery. But my friend, you are capable of doing all these things. Human intelligence is an inheritance of divine intelligence. It is infinite knowing from within. The Creator Himself is living in man to experience the material world He created. This is the source of human intelligence. If you shift your attention inward, you will have all the answers you need. Once you understand this, you will look at AI as a fun tool to play with. You will count on your knowledge from within. You will win a lottery jackpot because you want to. Religions have found their ways. But they also misled their multitude to act as inferior man and cry to God for pity. If I were in a religious group, I would turn to artificial intelligence, where I may find some of my power. Science is a contemporary religion. Religion is a historical science. Both are accumulated knowledge of man. A simple example. Science can answer the question, why apples are falling to ground from a tree, answering with the force of gravity. But it cannot answer why the tree is growing up from ground, which is counter the force of gravity. The second question must be answered with a religious knowing. Combine science and religion in your game of lottery, you will surely win a jackpot. Numbers are game of man, not a game of God. Numbers are created to set limitations for man to the infinite universe, and are used to keep man in focus by their 5 physical senses. In this context, data analysis or statistics are still working for the advantage of our lottery players. There are some other ways in which you may target a jackpot. In order to make these ways effective, I need explain the context of each so that you may look at the subject of lottery from a different perspective and establish a new belief. They will be long subjects yet to come. Stay tuned. My audience, if you are entertained with the content of my video and enjoy it, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on YouTube notification.